So Samsung's highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event is set to take place later this month, where the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra are expected to be unveiled. Fans are eager to know when the devices will be revealed, when pre-orders will open, and when they can finally get their hands on the latest OneUI-powered Android flagships. The event is widely rumored to occur on January 22, 2025, a date first hinted at in leaked promotional images from an Italian launch event. These images, which have since been removed, prominently displayed the January 22nd date. Multiple tipsters have echoed this timeline, although some suggested January 23rd due to time zone discrepancies. However, careful analysis points to a morning announcement on January 22nd for those on the US West Coast. Historically, Samsung has opened pre-orders for its Galaxy S series immediately after the launch event. This year, however, leaks suggest a slight change in the schedule. Pre-orders are expected to begin 2 days later, on Friday, January 24th, and run through Tuesday, February 4th. As in previous years, Samsung will likely offer several incentives during the pre-order period to entice early buyers. The Galaxy S25 series is rumored to hit store shelves on Friday, February 7th, maintaining Samsung's tradition of a 2-week gap between the start of pre-orders and the official release date. This timeline ensures that the devices are widely available across global markets soon after the launch. As excitement builds, much speculation surrounds the new features and upgrades Samsung might introduce with the Galaxy S25 lineup. Fans are particularly curious about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is expected to showcase cutting-edge technology and enhancements. There's also growing buzz about the possibility of a fourth device, the rumored special edition Galaxy S25, which could add a unique twist to the lineup. With just weeks remaining until the event, the countdown to Galaxy Unpacked has begun. Samsung enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting official confirmation and details about the next generation of Galaxy smartphones. Stay tuned for announcements as Samsung sets the stage for what promises to be a major moment in the Android smartphone market. So what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy S25 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.